Go to your Facebook account, press the home button to be sure that you're in the same place I am, and then click the down pointing arrow in the upper right corner of the window to access settings for your account. Then select Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings, and then select Privacy here on the left, and then scroll down until you can see Who Can See Your Friends List in the section for how people can find and contact you. And then make sure it says Only Me. If it doesn't say Only Me here, click Edit, and then over here in the bottom left corner of this little window, click that down pointing arrow to open up the pop-up menu and select Only Me. And close that, and that should prevent people from hijacking or creating a spoofed Facebook account that looks like you. That can be done if they can see your friends list, because it's easy for people to capture your profile image and your home image. And then anybody can create a Facebook account with your name, Tom Klein, or whatever, and then paste in the same images from your account, making that account look like you. However, if they don't know who your friends are, they don't know who to send friend requests to in order to invite them to become friends of that account. If they can see your friends list, then they can capture that and send friends requests to all those people, and thereby fool some of them into becoming friends of this account that they control. But because they do this doesn't mean they have any control of your Facebook accounts. And the password of your Facebook accounts has not necessarily been compromised, and probably hasn't been compromised. It's the ability of people to see your friends list that enables this type of spoofing.